Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Mitsubishi Outlander Headlight, updated. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Remove the bumper clips and access panel, then locate the headlight bulb housing. Use proper gloves and a socket set to loosen the retaining screws, unplug the connector, and swap in the new bulb. Test the light before reassembling the bumper and reconnecting the battery. Prepare to remove the bulb housing by accessing the rear of the headlight from under the hood. Press the tab on the housing, twist counterclockwise, and pull straight out. Keep track of screws and clips in a small container to avoid loss. Inspect the socket for corrosion or melting and replace the socket if needed. When installing, align the tabs, insert the housing, and twist clockwise until it locks securely. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car repair guides. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading anywhere while waiting during repairs or on road trips, and its crisp display makes manuals easy to read. I'll include a short note about discounts. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new halogen or LED bulb by the base only to avoid oil transfer and premature failure. Insert the bulb into the socket, secure the retaining clip, and reconnect the wiring harness. Adjust aim if necessary following manufacturer alignment marks, and test both high and low beams. Replace any removed panels and bumper clips, tighten all fasteners, and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Perform a final road check to confirm proper illumination and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.